Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome to another video. My name is Mike Facile, and in today's video, we're gonna go talk about the 7 quick ways to make money today. If you're pressed for cash, this is a video to watch. That being said, cue the intro. Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Mike Facile. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel and you want more ways to make more money online, create passive income for yourself, and just have the ability to live your most amazing life now instead of later when you're 75, 85, 100 years old, why wait that long to live your life? Then, of course, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get notified for all the new videos when I release them. But with that being said, I want to review a blog article that I saw today, 19 quick ways to make money today. So if you've seen the channel, you've seen kind of like what I'm doing. I'm kind of just comparing what people are saying from blog articles and videos that they tell you how to make money. And I'm coming here to tell you what actually is the fastest way to make money from those ways. Because let's be honest, man, like 19 quick ways, that's overwhelming. That's so many ideas. Most people never actually take action. So what I want to do from all of my years of failure, from all of my years of just figuring this out, trying to find like the light switch in the middle of the darkness, because I don't know exactly which one of these is going to create freedom for myself. I'm going to break everything else down so you could just find out if we could even just find 7 quick ways to make money so I could save yourself the time and money. So let's actually break this down. This is from earnsmartonline.com. I need money now. So just check it out. You could just check out her blog, a good amount of shares. But let's actually see what are her 19 ways, and let's see if we could find 7 that could actually work. And if none of these work, that's fine, because I have 2 guaranteed ways that could actually make you $2,000, like literally by the end of today, if you do this right. Like $2,000 by the end of the day. I know it sounds insane. I know it sounds crazy, but this is just kind of like the standard that I want to hold this channel to give you guys the no BS advice when it comes to creating wealth. So this one is install the Nielsen app and make $50 fast. Do you want money just from browsing the internet? You can claim $50 today from Nielsen customer mobile panel. Even though this is all right, and there's like people that do this, like, oh, I want $50 here. I want to fill some surveys over there and make some money from there. You're not respecting your time. Number one, it's probably not going to be the thing that you're going to do for the rest of your life. Number two, it's probably not aligned with your purposes. It's probably not, what you're excited about. So for me, I just think this is a waste of time, because not only are you spending so much time to make the $50, but it's only $50. How much is your time worth, right? Like if you work an hour of your life, who's to say that that hour is only worth $50? Like the ways that I'm going to show you guys later on is your hour could actually be worth up to $2,000 for that single hour. That's how entrepreneurs think. It's not how can I trade my time for money? It's how can I leverage time and giving value for money? So obviously right there, if you want to make quick money and you need it, number one, if $50 is the money that you need quickly, you're going to have a lot of serious problems like identity issues, like your personal finance, education. There's a lot bigger problems that you actually have to tackle on a personality and human subconscious mindset level if $50 is a problem. Second one is make money by answering questionnaires. Like I said, if you want and need to make money quickly, if you're spending all of your time answering questions, your brain, I don't know if you know this, but your brain has literally caused humanity to survive for hundreds of thousands of years. This brain is so freaking smart, but we do not use it sometimes. We spend it, answering surveys and questionnaires and whatnot. When this thing goes into survival mode and actually has to force to think creative, to find ways to make money, it will find the way that will actually allow you to make a lot more money faster than you ever thought was expected, especially if you don't waste time in just filling out surveys. So I don't already agree with that. Same with Swagbucks, Survey Junkie. Fiverr's good, right? Because you could go on Fiverr and sell like a $30 gig. So, and it could be more aligned with like your skills. So if you do video editing, if you're a photographer and whatnot, it could also be consistent. But, when you're trying to make money fast and you're doing it takes some time. You have to come in, not only do you have to create a skill that people actually want to buy, but you're also competing a bunch next to a bunch of other people that are selling the exact same thing as you, right? So that's why, I wouldn't necessarily agree with that either. DoorDash is a great food delivery service. If you need money, you can earn up to $25 an hour just by delivering food to customers. So here's the thing, right? Let me tell you just like on my mind, right? For me, when it came to wealth and providing for my family, I never wanted to stoop so low where I felt like I was doing things that weren't aligned with what I actually wanted to do with my life, right? That's why, like, whenever I see a lot of these things where it's like earn quick money fast. Oh, drive Uber. I know Uber is like, that's like the most obvious thing, number one, because it's just so plentiful. But like, I never wanted to just sink myself to the point where I was just doing things that were just almost like jobs, right? Uber is like, I guess it's fine because, you're like talking to people and it's like pretty entrepreneurial, and some people actually make a killing on Uber. There was this one guy that was like selling jewelry on his like Uber desk, right? And he never would actually sell it up front, but people would always ask. And then he would able to make like, I think it was $250,000 his first year selling jewelry and having a story next to it. But other than that, if you need quick money fast, the best way that I'm going to show you guys is you go to somebody with a bunch of money, you find their biggest problem, and you solve that problem. That is the fastest way to make money. Like, I think all of these things, like, you lose concepts and ideas of it because you're like, oh, well, what is the hack that I can make $50 today? What is the hack that I can make $100 today? If I were to break down you to find quick money, you need to find a quick solution for someone that has a lot of money, because they are willing to part their dollar bills because they want that less than the problem that they have. They want their problem solved more than they want the money in their pocket. And when you start understanding that and you're like, wow, that is how wealth is. You find someone with a problem and they want their money less than they want their problem actually solved. That is how you jumpstart a lot of money to come into your pocket. All of these things, wow, yeah, you can make $50, but at what expense? And not just that, but it doesn't compound. Right? It doesn't compound. It doesn't grow. If anything, it takes away from your time, and time is something that you can never get back. Your time needs to be the most valuable thing you hold to yourself. You should be asking yourself at every given moment, with the people that you're spending time with or the videos that you're watching, is this taking from me or is this allowing me to grow? And if the question is the former, then I recommend to just not do that ever again. You're just going to save yourself so much time. Another one is get money fast by watching videos. When I was in college, I tried doing this. I was like going through the internet and there was this one thing that was like, oh, pop up a bunch of videos, and I just watch it. And here I was just like watching this video, giving my feedback. You know what this is on their end? This is just how, bigger companies are extracting more information from the consumers so that they could sell more of their products to people in a way that they understand their psychology. That's the reason why people watch these videos and get paid for it, because they might pay you pennies for minutes of your life, but they're making tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars of the data that you are giving them, right? And that's what I'm saying. Like, those are two different mindsets. And if you're coming here to make quick money, how many times in your life are you going to consistently try figuring out new hacks to make quick money? I did this my entire life. I was like, what's the quick hack? Oh, eBay, oh, Etsy, oh, Amazon, or whatever. And I was constantly trying to figure out things. And every single time I would make some money, it was very short-lived. And I don't know about you, but when the money was short-lived, guess what came back? The problems with my finances, with my relationships, with my family, with my friends, with my confidence. And it was always a Band-Aid solution to a deeper problem inside. And that was my mindset, my self-worth, figuring out ways to actually give real value to the world. Right? So that's why it's like I get angry when I see these things, right? Another one is collect $10 from Rakuten, previously eBay's, $10. Like, seriously, do you not respect yourself so much that you're going to go out of your way to just get a $10 sign-up bonus? Our brains are creative. You went out of your way to look at this video, didn't you? Didn't you? You took energy and time to invest in learning these things. That same amount of energy and time to save you $10 or $50 is the exact same effort that it'll take you to make $100 a day or $300 a day or 10 grand a month. It's the exact same energy. The only difference is It's a lot easier because there's a lot less competition because people think it's too hard, when in fact it's a lot easier because there's not that much people doing the exact same thing. And then this one, get free money right now as sign-up bonuses, swag bucks. So a lot of it's are like pretty repetitive. Rent out your car, that's fine too. You know, if you really want to make money fast, this is what my parents did all the time. We just rented out our rooms to like random people that we would meet at the Filipino grocery store, which is weird. Like I would never recommend that, but for some reason the Filipino community is like so strong. So like we would put like little pamphlets in the Filipino store, and if someone needed a place to crash, we technically Airbnb'd our living room and our extra rooms to the point where I was living with my parents in one room, even though we had a 4-bedroom house, because we just needed to make extra money to pay for the mortgage. That's like a good way, right? So I guess that's like one or two. Renting anything that you own is always a good idea if you need money now, right? So for example, golf clubs, bicycles, your clothes, your bedroom. That's one thing when we talk about passive income, the 4 laws of passive income, where if you could rent things you already own or get paid for what you're already doing, that's good. That all fits the rules. Everything else up until this point, they don't really fit the rules, right? But you know, this one is still good. People make really good money with this. Get refunds from Paribus. Okay, you want to make quick money? That's good. You get the quick money. But do you want to make long lasting money? It's not going to be from depending on refunds from things that you buy or even the government, right? We can't depend on our tax refunds to live a good life. We need to find a way to not just make quick money fast, but to do it in a way that attracts more wealth to us. So that's another thing that is just like a poor mindset wise. Get money on Rover, pet sitting jobs. If you love dogs, by all means, go ahead and do it. By all means, go ahead and do it. But if, like I said, take the money, and then if you realize that this is a continuous problem, every single 3 months, I need to find a way to make quick cash. You can see that it's not the fact that you don't have the money. It's the fact that what you're doing is not getting you the results that you want. You know, the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result. If you're constantly struggling for money and you want to find quick ways to take cash, do these jobs, maybe drop your ego for a little bit. Like I said, do the Uber and the Rover and like babysit, like what you see all these blog articles talk about to make quick cash. But now have an intention that this will be a never again moment. Never again will I have to like literally look at blog articles to make quick cash, right? Never again, because now I'm taking this situation and this experience, learning from it, and then growing from it. Declutter, teach English online, that's good too. I've met a lot of people in the world traveling and they make money teaching Chinese kids English. So not like your regular kid, right? Chinese kids, they pay more, especially when they live in China, because a lot of people, they just want their kids to talk to Americans. That's like it. And it's like pretty entertaining because some of the kids don't even understand what you're saying. They just want to be immersed with the culture of the American accent, right? So if you have an American accent, this is a very good way to earn some extra cash fast. Get a personal loan. Getting a personal loan, 15 grand. Okay, how are you going to pay back that personal loan? How are you going to pay back that personal loan? You're going to have to look at a bunch more videos like this to then, it's just digging a bigger hole, right? That's why like what I want to tell you is not what you want to hear, but what you need to hear. And there is a bigger problem inside here that hasn't gotten fixed because we were never taught financial literacy. So overall, join Acorns, earn $5. If you do all of these 17 things, sell stock photos, use the shop tracker app, 19 things. Oh, they added 2 things. Here's the thing, this is good. This is good for somebody that just wants to get by. This is good for if somebody really needs $50 fast and they're $50 low on something. I think for me, I never wanted to be in the position where, $50 was a problem. Because when someone asked me, Mike, $50 is a problem, how long has that been a problem? I can't tell you how many blog articles I looked at to fix that problem. It never worked with anything. And I knew the only way to create real wealth was to solve a big problem, right? So the way that I've done it and the way that I'll constantly preach until I'm blue in the face is by solving a big problem and creating a solution, right? So the best way is, of course, going to businesses. Yelp, there's a lot of people, a lot of businesses that need help. You can literally come in here, pull up restaurants. All of these people, not necessarily restaurants because restaurants have low profit margin. I was gonna be a dentist. Dentists make a lot of money, right? Especially now, they don't know how to communicate with their customers and their patients. The best way to make money is finding someone who has a business and solving their problems, right? So if you literally go up to here and you called every single one of these dentists, and you just be like, hey, I just want to know, like, what is your biggest problem? And whatever they say, oh, that's crazy, I could actually solve it. A lot of these people have problems getting their businesses online. You know, with everything that happened with the pandemic, everyone now realizes that they cannot depend on referral marketing. Everyone needs online marketing. If you do video services for these people, if you do photography services for these people, if you help them create courses, if you help them, you know, with their Facebook marketing, if you help them with their email marketing, there's so many ways you could actually do that, right? And if you check my blog on the links below, we teach you exactly how to do that, right? You go to any one of these businesses and you ask them what their biggest problem is. And if you just even worked for free for like a week or two and you gave them a solution for that by, I don't know, guess what? Watching my free videos and just applying what I'm teaching you, but to their business, they will pay you $2,000 a month for maybe 15 to an hour of work every single day. That's just one way that we teach, right? Like in the free masterclass on the first link, we teach people that if you copy and paste these advertisings to these local businesses, they will make money, and in return, they will pay you money. Simple as that. The second thing is just selling high ticket affiliate programs, right? So for example, I show this all the freaking time. I can't tell you guys enough. You literally go in here and you see all of these people. Like for example, you see those videos ads all the time. Like I get a bunch of videos ads, right? I could literally now sell that product for 50%, create an email list where I have a completely full article right here on how to build an email list and start a blog and start your own website to actually allow yourself to attract the people that you want to do business with affiliate marketing and whatnot. You could sell this, get a 50% commission, and then make money from that. Guys, if you really want to make money fast, this is the fastest way that I ever thought of, right? You find people that have a problem and you solve them a very expensive solution. And you want to make money fast? That is by far even easier than doing all of these. Like I kid you not, because you know what? I've done all of these. Ever since I was 18 years old, I've tried every single way on here. And I'm telling you, it took a lot longer than you would actually expect. The fastest way was working with local businesses or businesses in general, or selling high ticket affiliate products. That's just it, guys. Hopefully this helps. Comment below, what are your thoughts on this? Did you know that there were actually these methods to make quick money? Comment below. Also leave a like and a subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want more videos like this, because it really does help out. And I just want to say thank you guys so much. You guys have been so amazing. I'm so grateful for you guys to have watched all of the videos. It really helps out with the channel. And if you want more like in-depth videos, make sure you subscribe to my second channel as well. But that being said, my name is Mike Vasile. I love you guys. Applaud for you guys and your sexiness for being a part of the Watch Till the End Club, which I just invented now because you stayed until the end. So hashtag Watch Until the End Club. And with that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.